Can you pass this common sense test?
To pass the test, you must crack a 7-letter password whose letters come from 7 passages that you will be presented with. Each passage contains a deliberate mistake, typo, or something that doesn't make sense. You have 15 seconds to find the mistake. The line that contains the mistake is marked with a letter on the left. That letter replaces the position in the password that corresponds to the passage number. For example, if passage 1 contains a mistake in the line marked with letter A, then the first letter of the password is A. Good luck and please subscribe. Passage 1. A star is a very large ball of bright glowing hot matter in space. That matter is called plasma. Stars are held together by gravity. They give out heat and light because they are very hot. Stars are not spread evenly across all of space. They are grouped into constellations. A galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. The Milky Way is the galaxy that includes our solar system. Passage 2. There are an estimated 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone. In the visible universe, there are an estimated 100 billion galaxies. That means there are an estimated 10 sextillion stars in the universe. Most stars are classified as main sequence stars that are in the process of converting hydrogen to iron in their cores. Other types of stars include red giants, white dwarfs, brown dwarfs, and neutron stars. Passage 3. The gravity of stars is the force that keeps them together and gives them their structure. The gravity of a star is determined by its volume. The gravity of a star also determines its luminosity, or how much light it produces. More massive stars are more luminous than less massive stars. More massive stars are hotter than less massive stars and therefore have shorter lifespans. Passage 4. A star starts its life as a cloud of dust and gas called a nebula. This is pulled together by gravity, which causes it to heat up. It also starts to spin and to look like a ball. When it gets hot enough, it starts to release energy through nuclear fusion, changing hydrogen to helium. This makes it shine very brightly and become what ufologists think of as a main sequence star. Passage 5. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system and the closest star to Earth. Proxima Centauri is the star that is closest to the Sun. It is 39.9 trillion kilometers or 4.2 light-years away. This means that light from Proxima Centauri takes 4.2 years to reach Earth. In comparison, light from the Sun takes 8 days to reach Earth. Passage 6. Stars like the Sun are hot because nuclear reaction happens inside them, which is called nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion converts hydrogen atoms into helium and at the same time produces a large amount of force. The energy produced by stars radiates in the form of light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Passage 7. The stages in a star's life are nebula, main sequence, red giant, white dwarf, and supernova. A red giant is a star that has reached the end of its main sequence life and has begun to fuse hydrogen in a shell around its core. A white giant is a star that has run out of fuel and has cooled and shrunk to a very small size. A supernova is an exploding star that collapses into a neutron star or black hole. Did you figure out the password? If you did, verify with the anagram below, where the same letters are listed in alphabetical order. Hint: the blocking or partial blocking of light from one celestial body by another celestial body.